Ну, вы поняли. Это будет третья часть. Погнали.
Song filled with shit for the strong-willed. When the world gives you a raw deal, set you off till you scream, piss off, screw you. When it talks to you like you don't belong, or tells you you're in the wrong field. When something's in your mitochondrial, cause it latched on to you like knock knock, let the devil in. Malevolent as I've ever been. Head is spinning, this medicine screaming, lick lick lick, let us in. It lick lick like a liquid Tylenol, gelatin, sneak my skeletons melting. Wicked, I get all high when I think I smell the scent of elephant manure. Hell, I'm in Kahlua, screw it, to hell with it. I went through hell with accelerants and blew up myself again. Volkswagen, tailspin, bucket matches my pale skin. Manwin, went from Hellman's and being rail thin, flare fish. Scribble jam, rap Olympics, 97.